Hey, good morning. So I found out recently that our phone system was doing something really weird. For like a week, a lot of calls were going straight into a voicemail, and then I couldn't access voicemail. Now we have other ways you can contact us. We have a client portal, and we have email and things like that, or Facebook Messenger. But I felt so bad because one of our quarterly customers, she's a young veteran, and she's lost her job right now due to the virus and all the problems that's causing. And she asked if we could postpone her cleaning, and she had called 3 times just politely talking about that. And I just got that message today, and we had performed her cleaning and charged her, and she was still calling and being so kind. I just feel terrible. So she doesn't know it, but I'm about to go deliver it. Well, she knows that I'm coming by. She doesn't know why, but I'm going to give her this gift. It's not only the payment back for her cleaning, it's cash, but it's a little additional because it's just the right thing to do. I feel so bad. And if you ever are trying to get a hold of us and some kind of technical glitch happens, which this is the first time this has ever happened in about 6 years, but please, we have the client portal, we have email, and we do regularly keep up with all those things and take care of our answering people back. So we care, and so sorry this happened to her, but I hope this helps and makes her feel better. Take care.